Look, Dad, we're staying at the Scott Air Force Base FamCamp this week. The FamCamp has RV hookups and pavilions and really pretty lake. There's a little bit of history with a pioneer cemetery. The RV sites have water and electricity, but then there's a dump station to take care of your sewer needs. Because there is no sewer hookup at the sites, they do provide a bathhouse, which is really nice. You can stand in there and take a shower however long you want. You're not going to run out of hot water in 10 gallons. It's pretty sweet. FamCamps are a fantastic way to stay inexpensively to visit your family who is in the military. And if you do have a retired veteran status, then of course you can get on the base for free. That's even better. Look, Dad, I love being back in the Midwest just because I'm not seen as a weirdo for wanting to wave at everybody every time I see them. Look, Dad, we are at Scott Air Force Base for this week, and today we plan to go to Ikea, and that's going to be awful. So after we get done at Ikea, we'll stop in at Home Depot and buy the fittings we need for the washer dryer installation, and then I guess we'll be visiting Xavier again. It's gonna be a good day, except for that whole Ikea part. Oh, look, Kevin. That came out perfect. Look, Dad. I'm dreading going in there. Okay, I'm digging this part of this unit. Nice drawers. Look, Dad, we got a... Look, Dad, we got a counter design, something that we like, and now we're trying to find our way out of here. It never ends. Oh, look, we found our way out. Oh, dang. Look, Dad, wasn't a... Okay. It wasn't a complete bust. We got meatballs. Look, Dad, we're starting another fantastic day at Scott Air Force Base. Yesterday we didn't get the dryer we didn't get the washer dryer put in because we got the wrong dryer hose. We needed a 3-inch instead of a 4-inch. So, gotta try to finish that project, and that's about all we have on the table today. And then we'll wrap up the day with more visiting. Okay, we're gonna go round 2 with the washer dryer. So what all is left? You gotta hook up that duct to the outside so it vents, and then put this drain hose in.
Yeah,
that's it. Okay.
Everything's on and no leaks so far.
Yeah.
Right there. Just gotta go through that and then into that black pipe.
Oh, up and over?
Yeah.
And into the black pipe.
Yeah,
Oh.
it'll just stick in there.
Oh, okay.
That just holds it from popping out though.
had to use so many different tools to get this washer dryer put in. One more might get the job done. Oh, there they are. I mean, who doesn't use barbecue tongs to do a washer dryer? So this is the plan I think will work. I've got a slip knot here at the end, and this yarn is thin enough that it'll fit in the grooves of that drain hose. Then I take the end, put it through that little U-shaped thing, and then out the vent hole so that Joe can grab it and pull it towards him, and then he can stick it down in that hole. That's what I think will work. Get it? Oh, sweet. Okay, you missed it, but I had to reach my arm down in that hole and also my hand, so pretty much both of my arms in that hole, and get that pipe out from under some hoses. That looks good and tight. Oh my gosh. We just got finished outside with the dryer hose. Good timing, good timing. Look, Dad, it's installed 2100 XC Splendide. That's a mouthful. See? You wash and you dry. Isn't that convenient? Okay, so let's do about a permanent press express. Ooh, or what about a gentle silk cycle? I'll do a 9, which is the permanent press express. Water temperature. Let's go with cold.
No, do both.
Do both.
Like,
warm?
Yeah. I might do hot and water.
Okay.
Cold run.
And dry time 40 minutes? Will that exercise it enough, you think?
Good plan.
Okay. Turn it on, I guess? Okay. Do we want a low spin?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Extra rinse?
Mm-mm.
Pre-wash?
No.
Low heat? So we're good?
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it's going fast, but it's not moving. It's just the whole RV is moving. Oh yeah, that's really gonna shake things. You my cutie cutie, you a cutie beauty. Look at you, Vicky Big. So, okay, Susan Russell, she is the wife of John Perschbacher. That's not right. Over here, she's the wife of Thomas Russell. I don't know. They probably know that mistake, right? Kind of interesting. A German pioneer cemetery is here on the base.